Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by powering the system. Turn the ignition to accessory or run so the display wakes instantly. Once done, shift into reverse to force the camera feed on. That's the trigger. While the image appears, make a quick exterior check. Clear mud or ice from the lens, confirm the camera isn't tilted, and adjust display brightness if washed out. Do this now because a correct start prevents bad data. It saves time and reduces guesswork when you back up. You need to interpret what you see. Distinguish static guidelines from dynamic lines that track steering. This explains why the path shifts as you turn. Once identified, combine the camera image with side mirrors and a shoulder check. The camera supplements, not replaces, your spatial awareness. Use audible parking sensors and on-screen distance markers to confirm clearance, and trust closer cues when objects show within the last marker. Make deliberate steering corrections. You finish by completing the maneuver at a slow, controlled speed. Once stopped, shift to park and confirm surroundings before exiting. After use, keep the lens clean with a microfiber cloth and check for loose connections if the image flickers intermittently. If the feed is blank or consistently fuzzy, test the display input, inspect the camera wiring and connector at the rear, and check the camera fuse. These steps isolate power versus lens problems. If unresolved, seek a technician with diagnostic tools.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.